Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Bitcoin appears to be in this corrective bounce, a bounce to our 100% extension target. I showed you that one in the last video update because what we saw already earlier today was a small move to the upside, a break above these previous swing highs and a break back above the September low. I explained to you in the last video that we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hour RSI, and that an ideal target to the upside is in this region around $109,740 to $110,187. And today the market is moving towards this area, but it is so far a three-wave move to the upside. It's based on corrective structures. So I'd say it makes sense to remain cautious here. The risk for further downside remains high. Remember, as long as a rally is corrective, like this one was A, B, C, or here A, B, C, the risk for further downside remains high. I think all eyes now need to be on the area here around the 100% extension target and the 61.8 retracement, actually it is, at $109,740. What if we break above it? We discussed that. If we break above it, then the door opens to a larger corrective rally, which might take us into this region here around 115,880 to 119,460. We'll see. As long as the rally is corrective, the risk that this is just a, let's call it a dead cat bounce, a wave 4 or a B wave, is quite high. I explained to you in the video, however, earlier today and yesterday as well, what constitutes the beginning of a bear market, right? What, from an Elliott Wave point of view, based on the model we use, would confirm that a bear market has started. We haven't got any of those confirmations, And we also talked about the RSI, which found support. So a bounce isn't a surprise from here, but we need to see a break above initial resistance to unlock basically prices in this upper resistance area, you could say. And I'd say, if we look at these structures, there could be some additional resistance in this area of the previous swing high from Monday, which is very much in line with the 61.8 retrace level at $115,880. So as long as the market now can keep this upside momentum intact, I think we should move towards 110,180. This area at least. It's the 100% extension. How do we calculate that? Well, we took the length of the A wave, and very often a C wave would get to the same level, or duration, length, extension. Also, we see it on some other charts, right? I mean, yesterday I explained that maybe over the weekend we will see on the Doge chart a B-wave bounce, on the H-bar chart, on the Link chart, and that's playing out right now. And on the Bitcoin chart, this rather seems to be a wave 4. We'll see. We'll see how it all comes together. But as long as we stay above this swing low, the Sunday low that formed earlier today at 106,200, the pressure can remain up in the very short term. So I think the levels should now be clear. Just want to give you a quick intraday update. I recommend you also check out our MCO Global channel, where I covered very extensively the larger time frame today as well in a video, and where you get a really good understanding of where we are in the broader cycle. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to also join us for our live session today at 5 p.m. UTC. We take a look at probably 40 coins, take all your requests. I mean, it can't cover them all, but we take a lot of requests, answer your questions, and it's just a great preparation for the coming trading week. So check it out. It's at 5 p.m. UTC, accessible for members. I put the link into the comment section. Thanks so much. Have a great start to the week. If we don't see each other in our live stream, then I can already wish you a great start to the new week. Thanks so much for being here. Bye-bye.